Hello everyone, welcome back. In the last lesson, we were able to successfully add a new book to our system, to our database. We can upload the image to that book as well. So far we have the login functionality working, and we have the add book working. Now that we need to add functionality for view book list. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So let's come back to our terminal, and we're gonna go to our admin portal, go to source, go to app, go to components, and we're gonna create a new component called book list. And then we are gonna go take a look at our book list. Now, first of all, there are a couple of package or components we need to import. We need to have the book model, and we need to have the router, not core, and we have the login service for check session. And we also need to have get book list service, which we haven't added yet. Okay, so let's create that add get book list services. Go to our service folder and create a new service called get book list service. Okay, then we need to remember to bootstrap that service. And we need to give the provider as well. Okay, and we're gonna write something on this get book list. Let's just leverage some of the content here. Say, for example, send book, copy, and go to get book list, paste, and then we need a headers as well. And then we can define HTTP instance, and here we're gonna change the method name to get book list. This doesn't need any parameter, and we can change the endpoint to book list, which we'll be adding at the backend as well. And then this could be just a get method. Alright, so that should be it for our get book list service. Come back to our book list component. We need to define some parameter. Once selected book, which is a book type, this basically means that in the book list you can select a book to view the detailed information of the book. Okay, so we define a selected book as book type. Also, we have a checked. That's a boolean type, which is for the checkbox before the book. So we'll see that very soon. And then we define a book list array. This will be used to check order. We'll be storing all the book that we fetch from the backend. And then we have all checked boolean, which is to see whether we have selected all the books or not, so that we can do some operation on. And we have defined a remove book list. So a book list which will be used to be removed. Okay, so whatever books in this remove book list will eventually be deleted. And you can see we are instantiate a new array here. So this is one way to do that, or you can initialize it under this ng on init. Okay, and then we can have our get book list service. And a router. And then the ng on it, we can call the get book list service the get book list dot subscribe. Okay. And we have the result as well as error. So if we have some successful result, we can print it out. And we can assign the book list to JSON and to this book list. If there's an error, we can simply just log it. Okay. And then we need to add the routing to our view book list. So here we're gonna import the package. Book list component. And this from components book list book list component. And then we can add a new path, say book list, and this would be book list component. After that, we can go to our navigation bar, HTML. We can add a router link to our web book list, which goes to book list. Alright, let's go take a look at our admin portal. Open up your console and modify the network. Okay. Let's come to our home page. So I have login. Can I view book list? View book list. So for this this address doesn't exist. That's because we haven't added the backend endpoint yet. But it's pretty much doing what we are expecting to do. Okay, so we're gonna end this lesson and we'll continue in the next one. See you guys in the next video.